This is called a Satsuma. Currently got semifreddo in there, and now we have a Satsuma foam. First, cream, vanilla. There we go, whipped cream. Ooh, I creamed. Whole eggs, sugar, salt, water, steam, bowl on top. You just don't want to touch the bowl metal to metal because then you'll scramble your eggs. Measuring this, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, pull it off the heat. Immediately want to start mixing it up in the stand mixer. That's what we want right there, creamy.
Fold half of your whipped cream in and get it nice and mixed. And then once that whipped cream is fold in the rest of it.
Spoonful of your semifreddo into a bowl. Now we can just cover up and toss that in the freezer. And there you go, you're good with some ice cream. Or we can put it into a piping bag. And then we take a Satsuma, cut off just the tip. Save this for the juice. Pipe into our Satsuma, leave some space. Just pop a top, off to the freezer they go. Satsuma juice. Gelatin, tablespoon of water. Satsuma juice, sugar, gelatin. So like this right here, we don't want to toss it all in if it's still hot, so we'll slowly add it in. Citric acid, strain it in.
Oh yeah.
Maria cookies. Then we should have what tastes like a creamsicle. So good. Light, bright, delicious. Also fun. And if you don't want to do that, you just get yourself a bowl. You got your ice cream in there, crumbled up cookies. Look at that. Of course, let it go a little longer if you want it to be more ice creamy.